come back, I'm still hanging with Sasha, the controversial artist.
Why? What have I done in this life?
Sasha, tell me about your latest song.
Okay, I've been doing some great production lately, you know. I was overseas for quite some time, you know. And I just got into the studio. I just say, you know what? I gear up, you know. And I have this new rhythm out. It's called The Breeze. And I have this song on it called Cloudy Days. And this song, I wrote this song because it was like what was going on in my life, you know, how I was feeling, you know. And a lot of times it's just it's a message within a message, you know. I think every man comes to a crossroad in their lives, you know, where the way seems so dark, you know, but the song just telling them not to be afraid of cloudy days. And cloudy days represent everything that is negative, everything that causes stress, you know. Okay. So let me get a little piece.
I was waiting that.
Okay. Don't be afraid of cloudy days. Things will always change. And everything you do should be for His blessings. And even when it's dark, you should have Him in your heart. And everything you do should be for His blessings. Watch the sun as it rises, isn't it quite surprising? Know the people realizing you're a blessed one. I know it's hard, but keep fighting. The world is cold, but keep thriving. Giving praise to the anointed. Blessed be the Son. I don't want to go too far, but
it sounds really different from Sasha.
Yes.
It's more of an inspirational, you call it, maybe this song can sing at the church or in the church.
Everywhere. I wrote this song, and the way I wrote it and pitched it is something I can play amongst gospel people, you know, like Christian people, Muslim people, Rastafarians, in the dance, out of the dance, because it's a reality. It's a reality. And one thing I know, no matter what's going on, especially in Jamaica, we are God-fearing people. And we love God. You understand me? And I know in the midst of the storm and everything, every man knows that, oh, there's a creator. You understand? And this man. You understand? I don't care what they want to call him. You understand what I'm saying? But everybody knows that there's a being. You understand? A superior being. You understand me? That put breath into every one of us. You understand me? And He's the author and the finisher of all things. So, me acknowledging Him in this song, you know what I'm saying? And letting them know, I know that a lot of people can, you understand? Relate to it and feel it because it's real. You understand me? And it's what a lot of us live, you know? A lot of us live in denial, but at the end of the day, when everybody go home and in that time zone where I call it by myself zone. Reality kicks in. And everybody know at the end of the day, it's all about what you do for God. You know what I mean? I say that last hour counts.
Persons who are out in the limelight and they can sing and they get the talent and all that. They get so big-headed that they don't even remember that there's a God somewhere and God is the one that keep them through, so it's good to know that you recognize that. But you've been doing some producing. Tell me about that part as well.
Yes, as I said, they have a funny thing they say, jack of all trade and master of none, but let me tell you, this is the reverse. You understand? I've always looked outside. I never like to see myself as a limited person.
Okay.
I want to sing, DJ, dance. I'm saying over the years, I come to the studio over and over again, watching the vibes, watching the engineers, watching the producers. I was always drawn to all these things. So that's where I'm at right now.
Okay.
The bigger side of things.
You just producing for yourself, or you're
no,
producing
I produce.
for
I produce for other people. I produce a lot of different artists. You know, even this new rhythm called The Breeze. The rhythm is really wicked, and this project, I know it's gonna be massive. You know what I'm saying? And I'm really, I'm taking it to them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take it to them. It's been like so much on the road about this collaboration again with you and Turbulence. Come tell Wagwan fans, viewers, what's going on with this.
Oh God. You
know,
see, basically,
it doesn't matter what you try to do, you can't get rid of a Turbulence, and Turbulence can't get rid of you. So, tell me about
can
this.
I tell you this? Everywhere I go, every part of the world that I go, I get this. Sasha, me like the energy between you and Turbulence, you know. When we do back some tune, you know, Wagwan, you know what I'm saying? If it's in another language, Turbulence and Sasha. We like Turbulence and Sasha, you know. Everywhere, I mean, every language you could imagine. I don't know, a lot of times, you know, people tend to go around the thing, you know, and the right way is to you have to move off your vibe and your energy. And I can't deny the fact that when me and him go into the studio,
it clicks.
It clicks. And the energy is there. And every time me and him do something, we don't miss. You know? I came down recently, you know, because I'm also based in Florida.
Okay.
And because I'm working out there in some studios up there, doing some work. And I came down with this rhythm, Breeze, and I called him up and I said, Turbulence, you know, boy, give me a tune for my rhythm. And me and him in the studio, you know, run a Kings of Kings, and you know, we're here and we just, I don't know, it's just like I don't even know, Vanessa, I don't know what happened. I only know that me and him end up in the voice room, and him just start talk a thing, and he just start talk a thing, and him start to sing a thing, and me start to sing a thing, and there we go again. You know?
Me here said that the song for the summer. So give me a little piece. And I'm sure your fans will agree with me on that. Come, Sasha, talk up the things. I could hear it.
Oh God. You know what? Let me tell you this. You know, so I'm not gonna say it, you know, Vanessa, guess what? Kind of thing of a premiere, right? It's just so much. I mean, you believe me, that before the song was totally completed, people are already outside the studio.
That's how I heard about
yes,
it.
I mean, like just want to take the tune. Like they need it. You understand? I mean, it was so much excitement. But let me tell you, the next day, before I ring off the hook, everybody just like, call me, Sasha, bring the tune, come give me. Me need the tune. No. You know what I'm saying? Everybody. You understand? Even Turbulence. I'm saying, what is man? We just buy the tune yesterday. We came and walk on the street. They must say, again. I walk on, everybody just anxiously waiting to hear what it is. So, you know, the saga continues. But trust me, you know.
So you're keeping the fans in suspense then?
Yeah, I'm keeping them in suspense for a moment.
Plan on doing a video?
Yeah, definitely. Video in the works right now. And we're actually writing the treatment and just discussing who we want to shoot this video to really catch what we're really saying, you know? Yeah.
Sasha, give a little piece of it. Just
a
little piece.
Pay me,
just a little. Yeah, you get the pay. Yeah. Just a little piece of it. Come. Just money.
Anyway. All right. It's just basically like we bump into each other, which is a reality. You know, so we bump in, you know. And you know, he's saying, he want to ask me a question, and I'm like, what? And he's asking me, why me leave him? You know, why did I have to break his heart?